Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a modded wardrobe. So you can have like your mom menus and like put stuff inside it. Instead of adding it like this, so I'm just going to delete these because these are in an older tutorial. And what you want to do firstly, like all the others, you just want to get one of these and duplicate it. I put it like central and a little bit further back. And what you want to do is you want to go up here and then make it like modded wardrobe enable. Then what you want to do is you want to like change the text, change the text from to like modded wardrobe. Is that how you spell it? Yeah. You want to get rid of this wardrobe function button. Move component. And then if you don't already you want to add the banana OS menu button. Add this. As press material, you want to make it press. As an unpress, you just want to drag the plastic on it. And button renderer, just drag this on it. And then for objects to disable, you see all of these, you want to drag them on. So objects to disable, boom. Drag all of these on them. If you're in newer updates, this text will be separate, so you just want to drag the text on there too. But I'm in a spring cleaning 23 one. Face. I just want to drag them all on. May seem sketchy, but you gotta do it. Nothing will happen. Hold the bull. And then you want to drag the head models on there too. So now if you disable all of these, as you can see, all this gone. Then you just wanna put, maybe I'm just gonna put that one on. Oh wait. Oops. What have I done? I don't know. You just wanna turn all these on. As you can see, I'm just gonna turn that text on. And you can see that you just want to keep one on, so I'm just going to keep the hats on. So hats is there, you want to unset that. Just want to deactivate them all. And for the hats, you want to duplicate it and then deactivate this one. For this one, I'm just going to name it like mirror to that. And on modded wardrobe enable, you want to drag this on enable. And again for this, for the where is it gone now? For the mirror toggle, again you want to delete the wardrobe function, remove component. And on this one, I had the banana OS menu button 1. So this is just for mirror. This is what I want to do. Do pressed, unpress this plastic. Button renderer, you just want to again drag this on. And for objects to toggle, you want to find your mirror. If you don't already have the Illuminated package in, I have a tutorial on how to do it. Oh, before you do that, you want to add one. Open the element, make the game object mirror, toggled material, pressed, and original material plastic. So now when you do it, the mirror will enable, go off and on. And then that'll be fine. You just want to rename the text. Mirror. I don't know why that text not changing. So hats too. Alright, that's why. And then mirror, so then that will activate it. Then you want to like duplicate this if you have any mod menus in, which I don't, because Spring Clean 3 is a bit buggy with the mod menus. But I think I'm just gonna import one real quick. This menu is a booster menu, so don't go for it. These are just pre-made ones. The booster one's already made, and it comes with sound pad already set up. Where's it gone now? You can skip if you want to, if you already have your stuff in. Right, that one. Boom. Just want to import all of those. Some might break in updates. I know in Mountain Beta all of them work because it's a Mountain Beta one, but some menus like typically No Clip, Iron Man, and like Wacky Head or the low quality mods don't work in new updates. PSI Mountain Beta. Yeah, but that's good. And then you can see here you need easy inputs too. But Sprinkling's 23 is just genuinely buggy. I think it comes with easy inputs, I don't know, but I'm gonna try and find it. So private menu, super menu. So you can see I just got my menu here. Then what you want to do, if you've already set up, you'll have an empty, like named it like menu enable. And then what you want to do is you want to get this button, name it to mod menu button, and then rename the text to mod menu. Menus. Then what you want to do is you want to grab. So let's just move this II out the way. Turn gizmos off. So you want to go up here and find all the buttons that are down here. So for me, it's these ones. Then you want to duplicate them and then drag them in the mod menu button. Then you want to enable them. And then unselect all of them. Select all of them other than the left and right. Remove the script. And add banana OS menu button 1. And for these one, you just want to remove these for now. Remove component. And then to make them 2 pages, I'll do that in later tutorial. Well, it'll be in this video, but yeah. And then for all of these, you can just select all of these, other than these 2 again, and make the unpressed plastic pressed as pressed at the usual. And we'll just leave this for now. Then on this one, I just want to do the button renderers again. Boom, boom, and then on objects toggle. So I'm going to find my first one. I'm going to add one, and then toggle material again. Make it pressed. No, this one. The other one will make it go like pink. The original material again. Just drag on plastic. And then for the game object, if you have multiple menus, it's fine. You want to drag on the menu enable, so it will enable the thing at first. So it will enable this. I've not put the script in though. There will be a tutorial on how to add a mod menu. And you can also follow my booster menu one that has the same stuff in it, just with this menu. And then you want to if you have your menu, you want to duplicate it. And then shape and scale it to your size. But what I do, because the scripts are still on this, so they will work even without. So you just want to shape it to your liking. And then I'll put it like here, just doing a quick one. And then on this, you want to, so I've got this menu selected. Tell me, so boom, this one. You want to open it, and then on also where it says pages, you just want to open it on page 1, you want to open it again, and then on where all the buttons are, you just want to take off their box collider. Same for these 2, to be fair. Cancel box collider off, and then and then it won't work for them. And then then that's how you add it in. And then also don't forget to add on this the mod menu button. And also you want to make a back button to get to the normal one. You just want to copy this one, drag it to the side, and then remove all these from disable. And then for disable, you want to add the 2 buttons we added. So for disable, you want to add mod menu button and the mirror toggle button. And then for objects to enable, you want to put all of these on them. Also on disable, you want to put self on there. And on this, you want to enable that. So it just makes it cleaner. hat, right item, left item. It's simple, but it's still a little bit tricky to get like in your head. So this is just a quick tutorial. And then for modded wardrobe, you want to add the mod menu. Where's it gone? Mod menu enable. Just make it disable. You want to enable that. So on this, you want to make it modded wardrobe disable. So now if I close this, and if I disable these now, and I just, oh yeah, we need to drag, also don't make sure to drag this into the mod thingy, or else it will just always be on. So drag it to mod menu button, and then disable these. For now, I'm just gonna delete this folder because what's it called? It's giving me compilation error, so I can't go into it. So I'm just gonna delete this so I can show you that the modded wardrobe actually works. And to do what I do, you just wanna copy and paste whatever I did into a new button or something. Clear that. Easy inputs. Well, when you go in, it will just, so I can't press play because I got compiler errors for some reason. I'm just gonna remove easy inputs, to be fair. Do I have easy inputs even in? No, I don't even have easy inputs in. So yeah, when you click play, you can go in and test it. It 100% works. It should work in any update, no specific one. And then yeah, that's it. But to make new pages, you want to basically copy and paste a new set of these into it, make it disable, but make the left one here enable the new sets, and the one here disable the new sets and enable the old ones. And yeah, it's pretty confusing, but also make sure to turn the head models on. Hold on. Where's it gone now? So the wardrobe's here. Well, if you can find the head models, I can't be able to most of the time. Then you can just put down. So yeah, have fun in your copy. So boom, bye.